Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you to address a topic of great significance and profound implications: the ethics of genetic engineering and gene editing. I aim to engage you in a thought-provoking discussion, combining a tone of urgency, moral contemplation, and an unwavering commitment to the well-being of humanity. In this era of unprecedented scientific advancements, we find ourselves at the crossroads of immense possibilities and profound ethical dilemmas. The power to manipulate the very fabric of life raises questions that demand our utmost attention, careful consideration, and responsible action. Genetic engineering and gene editing hold tremendous potential for the betterment of human health, the eradication of hereditary diseases, and the enhancement of our physical and cognitive capabilities. We envision a future where we can alleviate suffering, extend lifespans, and improve the quality of life for all. However, we cannot ignore the ethical complexities that arise from wielding such immense power. With every breakthrough, we must grapple with the fundamental questions of human dignity, consent, and the sanctity of life itself. We must tread carefully, mindful of the unintended consequences and the potential for unintended harm. As we navigate this uncharted territory, we must ensure that our actions align with principles of autonomy, justice, and beneficence. We must uphold the right of individuals to make informed choices about their own genetic makeup, free from coercion or discrimination. We must guarantee that the benefits of genetic engineering are equitably distributed, ensuring that marginalized communities are not left behind. Furthermore, we must consider the intergenerational impact of genetic interventions. The decisions we make today have the potential to shape the genetic heritage of future generations. We must engage in a broad and inclusive dialogue involving experts, ethicists, community leaders, and individuals from diverse backgrounds to determine the boundaries and limitations of genetic engineering. In this pursuit, transparency and accountability are paramount. We must establish robust regulatory frameworks that monitor and govern the ethical use of genetic engineering technologies. We must guard against unethical practices, including the creation of designer babies, or the exacerbation of existing social inequalities. Yet, as we proceed, we must not succumb to fear or halt scientific progress out of trepidation. The potential benefits of genetic engineering are vast and far-reaching. We have the opportunity to eradicate devastating genetic disorders, alleviate suffering, and enhance the resilience of future generations. We must not shy away from these possibilities, but instead approach them with a heightened sense of responsibility and ethical consideration. Let us embrace intelligent extremism in the realm of genetic engineering and gene editing. We must demand that scientific research is conducted with the utmost caution, adhering to rigorous ethical guidelines. We must advocate for transparency and public engagement, ensuring that decisions regarding genetic interventions are made collectively, with input from all stakeholders. In conclusion, the ethics of genetic engineering and gene editing demand our unwavering attention. As we navigate this extraordinary frontier, we must proceed with humility, reverence for life, and a profound respect for human values. Let us forge a future where the power of genetic engineering is harnessed responsibly, guided by ethical principles that safeguard the dignity, autonomy, and well-being of all. Thank you, and let us embark on this journey with a moral compass that guides us toward a future where science and ethics walk hand in hand, ensuring the betterment of humanity while upholding the values that make us truly human.